Hi, everyone. Imagine this. You are walking down a familiar street and suddenly miss a step on a raised curb. Or you're carrying a heavy grocery bag in one hand from the store to your car. In that instant, what keeps you from falling? Many patients in their 60s have told me they feel their bodies lose connection. Even a small misstep can throw them off. The secret actually lives on both sides of your torso. The oblique muscles. They act like the suspension cables of a bridge, keeping your spine upright and steady through life's bumps. Instead of struggling on a cold floor to do traditional crunches, there's a much gentler and more natural option. The standing side crunch. Stand tall, place your hands lightly behind your head, slowly lift one knee while bending your torso toward that knee, so your elbow and knee move toward each other. Do it slowly and feel the oblique tighten to help stabilize your center. This simple move quietly activates your body's balance system, helping you walk confidently over life's uneven ground. Have you ever wished your body had that kind of steady support? Have you ever felt modern life moving too fast, turning healthcare into a stressful race? Many of my patients in their 60s tell me they dread hour-long gym sessions. They leave feeling drained rather than energized. Do you ever feel the same? Here's a simple philosophy. At our age, the body doesn't need punishment. It needs wisdom and resilience. That's why I designed this exercise sequence to be minimal. The whole routine takes less than 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes, shorter than your morning cup of tea. We'll do 3 standing exercises, each performed slowly and with full focus for 30 seconds. After one round, pause, take a deep breath, and rest for 1 full minute to normalize your heart rate before the second and final round. Medically, U.S. studies show short, consistent movement like this activates muscles far more effectively than overexertion. 10 minutes a day won't exhaust you, but it's the gentlest commitment you can make to your body. Let's start now. Imagine this. Whenever we lie on the floor to do traditional crunches, our spine endures significant compressive stress, like a spring being squeezed tight. Have you ever felt a sharp or aching pain in your lower back after forcing a floor crunch? A 65-year-old patient of mine tearfully told me he nearly gave up exercising because spinal degeneration made every lie down and sit-up a medical ordeal. As a professional, I always tell my clients, bodies at this age need care, not punishment. That's why switching to standing core work is a liberating revolution for your posture. When you activate your core standing, the spine stays in its most natural neutral alignment, minimizing pressure on worn discs. No more painful spinal flexion, no more fear of further injuring a degenerated lower back. We train to restore freedom of movement, not to add more pain. Isn't that the goal? A patient in his 60s once told me his greatest fear wasn't major illness, but losing the ability to do small daily tasks like reaching a box of cereal on a high shelf or twisting to fasten a seatbelt. Have you noticed your body losing everyday flexibility like that? Understand that daily life is not linear. It's a constant series of twists, reaches, and turns. So instead of rigid movements, try the standing cross-body knee to elbow. Start by standing tall with feet hip-width apart for a stable base. Hands lightly behind your head. Elbows open. Take a deep breath and slowly lift your right knee while twisting your torso to bring your left elbow toward that knee. Move slowly to feel the entire abdominal and oblique area tighten to stabilize your balance. Lower and switch sides. From an expert's view, this move is powerful because it combines natural rotation and flexion. It models how your core protects the spine in daily life. Practicing it helps you regain fluidity and freedom so you can fully enjoy life. Picture waking one morning, stepping out of bed, and the floor under your feet suddenly feels less steady. A 68-year-old patient once said, "Doctor, I am not afraid of aging. I am afraid of a fall stealing my independence." Have you ever felt that vague fear of losing your balance? Many assume balance is automatic, but it's actually a biological system that needs daily care. That's why, in this standing series, when we perform single leg raises, standing fully on one leg, a medical marvel happens. Shift your weight onto one foot and slowly lift the other. Notice a slight wobble in the sole of your foot. In that instant, dozens of tiny, stabilizing muscles around your ankle and hip awaken. They brace, tighten, and work to keep you upright. Move slowly. Keep your breath even. And if you feel unsteady, lightly touch a wall for support. From years of working with older adults in the U.S., I emphasize single-leg core work is the golden key to rebooting your balance system. We don't train for a six-pack. We train to build a solid foundation to protect ourselves from dangerous falls, so every step in later life can be confident and proud.